If the network settings are not configured correctly, then Ethernet may not work. This can happen if the network adapter is not set up for DHCP or if the IP address, subnet mask, or default gateway are not set up correctly. So, in this tutorial we'll teach you how to fix your Ethernet connection in Windows XP in a quick and easy way. First, open your Start menu. Open your Control panel. Open Network and Internet Connections. Open Network Connections. Right-click your network adapter. Select Repair. Press OK after the repair operation completes. First, open your Start menu. Open All Programs. Click on Accessories. Click on Command Prompt. Type the following command, then press Enter. Now type this command and then press Enter. Type Exit and then press Enter. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.